Yeah, you're seeing this right. We got a new gaming desktop that we're going to be doing an unboxing for. Actually, at this point of the video, the intro, I've probably already unboxed this because, as you can see, it's in the background. What's up, everybody? It's Mikhail Casanova, Hawaii's favorite YouTuber, host of the #1 podcast in the state of Hawaii, the Casanova Podcast. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the iBUYPOWER. This is the BB953. Man, is this thing a beast. 16 gigs of RAM. I've got the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 2080 graphics card on this. Terabyte of SSD storage. And I've actually added more to it. I've added my Barracuda 4 terabyte hard drive, as well as another couple of SSDs. So this is gonna be a beast, man. Thank you, iBUYPOWER. You guys showed me way too much love. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing video, and review will be coming towards the end of the week. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. What's up, everybody? We are back with another unboxing video, and this time we're going to be, I know I sound far and away, but we got a new desktop from iBUYPOWER, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one. This is the iBUYPOWER, the BB953, the newer model with the NVIDIA GTX 2080 graphics card. Not the TI, but hey, it's still, you can't really complain about it. I mean, this is the new generation of graphics cards, so hey, I got no complaints about it. Okay, so per usual, get the Aries E1 mouse. I'm not a fan of this mouse, so I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use my Razer Black Widow. So that's that. I'm just excited. New computer. Okay. So it's up and out of the way. And like the last one, the Zeus E2. This is actually not a bad mouse. I'm not too sure. I probably won't use this either. I've got a Razer mouse too, so I'm good on that. But let us go ahead and get a look at the back. So, get a DVI or display port for the graphics card. So the Zotac graphics card, you got another display port, HDMI, another display port, and ooh, USB Type-C. And up here, you got some of your legacy ports, your Wi-Fi adapters. You've got DVI, your mouse, keyboard, if you got like an older one. So you got your Ethernet inputs, USB Type-C, then your microphone inputs. So got three 3.0s. And it's a glass case on the side, which you guys can see. Up top, we have some more USB 3.0s, microphone, headphone inputs, and I guess this is the power button. Yep, power on, and restart. Two buttons, that's cool. And a nice finish. And on the side, there you go. As far as paperwork and books and stuff, what do we have? Plenty of extra cables. The other ones never came with extra cables, so cool. Power cable. Wi-Fi antenna. And Okay. Loads and drivers and information and stuff like that. So installation CD, whatnot, warranty. So basically, if you do a review or register, they send you free stuff, which is how you get stuff. And, well, not really, actually, I do reviews. I have a partnership with iBUYPOWER. Yeah. So that's everything that's in here. So, set this bad boy up. All right. And so if you want to peek at the inside, the Zotac Gaming, this is the GTX 2080. It's got the ADATA SU800 1TB SSD. And some of the components. These people want to spec out and nerd out on it. Alright, and for those wondering the power supply, this is a 650 watts. This is the Smart M Thermalake. This is part of the Smart series. This is the cabling. I mean, it ain't great. It ain't bad. I mean, it's serviceable, so I can't complain. Alright, and as you can see, we got it plugged in and powered on. And we get into the setup part. So starting services. So one of the other cool things too is you get a code for Black Ops 4. So this is what's up too. Comes with this beautiful, beautiful gaming desktop. And now if you take a brief little survey, then you get to download Black Ops 4. All right, and that wraps up this unboxing video and setup for the iBUYPOWER, the BB953 with the GTX 2080 graphics card. Man, this thing's a beast, handles gaming like a dream. My goodness, this thing is a beast. And I'm gonna actually spec it up a little bit more. I may throw in another graphics card, another 2080. I may even throw in a, because I'm definitely gonna upgrade the RAM. I'm thinking 32, but I may push this up to either 64 or 128. I'm just gonna go overkill. I mean, why not, right? I mean, more is better. But yeah, this is gonna be my primary gaming desktop, as well as my primary for video editing, photo editing, gaming, and my podcast, which make sure you catch the Casanova podcast on all the outlets. #1 podcast in Hawaii. With that being said, that's all I have to say. This thing's a beast. Again, thank you to iBUYPOWER for this, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces wild, too sweet, be the elite, and I'll see you on the next one.